Through ancient fog and standing stone, she rides where echoes sleep. Black horse breathing silver fire across the moor so deep. Her crimson dress defies the dark like flame against the rain. She carries songs of vanished loves and softly spoken names. She's the rider between worlds, between the ash and flame. She rides for love that never died. No road will call her name. She's seen the halls of fallen kings where ravens guard the dead. She heard the old gods whisper truths of tears the future shed. Her eyes reflect the emerald hills, her gaze a distant shore. She rides away from all she was and all she was before. She's the rider between worlds, between the ash and flame. She rides for love that never died. No road will call her name. Between the living and the lost, she fades into the night, a shadow born of memory and silver moonlit light. She's the rider